Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you today an Arde Barinco laboratory homogenizing mixer. Using this glass bowl, give you a good look at it. Has the adjustable deflector plate, high-speed rotor, running at an amazing 12,000 RPM from this Baldor motor. It's 120 volt, single phase, and it's operating on a variable speed control. We're starting it off slow. It's 120 volt single phase. There she is running at 12,000 RPM. Great little homogenizer. Emulsions, aqueous and oil-based. We have lots of homogenizing mixers in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Go to the main page on the home page, click on mixers, then the subset homogenizing. You'll see everything we have in stock. We offer reconditioning on most. Thanks for joining us in this video today, and we look forward to hearing from you.